Welcome back to our channel where I bring you lifestyle and how to grow our natural hair healthy and long, making most of the product for the hair ourselves. Today I bring you a deep conditioner treatment to repair damaged hair, deal with hair dryness and maintain healthy hair. All you need to make this deep conditioner treatment is extra virgin olive oil, honey, and oats. Add water to the oats and prepare as you would make porridge, not too thick and not too liquid either. Stir the porridge continuously to avoid it burning. I also have 3 spoons of olive oil here that when I finish blending it will go in. I have finished blending it. We are now going to strain it. Strain the porridge to avoid unwanted bits on your hair. It's all nicely strained. I'm now going to add the 3 spoons of extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil is nicely mixed. I'm now going to add the honey. The deep conditioner has a nice smooth consistency ready to use on the hair. The hair will be covered with a shower cap, leaving it as long as you want. I left the treatment on my hair for an hour and rinsed it with cold water, leaving the hair soft and manageable. My invitation to you is to try yourself. If you have enjoyed the video and have not already subscribed, kindly do so. It is your way to help support the channel and to bring you more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.